Fuck. Not again. What the f? Good morning and welcome to day 5 of the Bacon Bandits 2019. We broke the back of the canoe trip yesterday with a solid 35k day into a headwind at the end of the day. Late finish, so late start today. We'll be finishing off Caribou River, getting into Funga Lake as well, and camping at the very top of Caribou Lake tonight. Bit of fishing along the way, hopefully an early stop so we can have a bit of a swim and a bit of a wash. Cruisy couple of days coming up, and yeah.
Day 5, portage 2. One more portage. Woo!
So since year one, we don't save weight with our food, but we save weight with our liquor. So we've been rocking the Everclear 95%. And it's tradition for anyone new to the trip to have to take a shot.
All right, this is a cheers farewell shot to Wabakimi 2019.
It's our last night on the trail, and as tradition dictates, we all have to do a shot of Everclear, so here we go.
Time for my specialty.
So I forgot my Listerine this year, so.
Been dreading this.
Last but not least.
Oh, God, that sucks.
It's a high quality rain suit.
Pour off some spaghetti?
We don't waste our leftovers.
We don't waste food.
Hey chef, what are you making?
My specialty is chili cheese dogs. Your whole hearty veggies. You got some onions, jalapenos, red and yellow pepper. Once you add your peppers in there, you'll let it simmer for a little bit. Block of cheese.
So you're saying that passion do not actually have a change is considered
But that's the it's just some respect to this.
So second last day of the canoe trip started in Caribou Bay, went through Funger Lake down into Caribou Lake. Only 26K today, pretty short day. Don't even know what to do with our lives. Had some chili, short day, good day, out tomorrow.
I don't know, probably around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. I heard Nelson kind of shuffling around the tent. Then I kind of rolled over and he was sitting up, staring outside. And I asked him what was going on. He said there's something outside. So I kind of like just laid there with my eyes open, trying to listen to what he was hearing. Then I heard some sticks or rocks banging together against a tree or something, like some sort of noise that wasn't normal. So we kind of thought I thought it was maybe a moose walking through the water or something like that, but anyways, Nelson decided to go outside the tent to go check it out. So I figured, okay, well, if it was a bear or something like that, you know, like I can't let one guy go outside by himself. Then Ross just never even moved. You know when someone's like sleeping, but they're pretending to be asleep, but they didn't sit up, you know, like, you know, he was awake, but he was just laying there, like, so I decided to get up and go outside with you, not realizing I was, like, gonna be outside for a while. Then, next thing you know, you see, like, a stick flying out of the bush into the water, and full of rocks roll down. It's okay, well, there's no way that's a bear, or a moose, or anything else walking. through the bush. So I was kind of confused for a second. I seen a Sasquatch kind of walk through the trees. And I couldn't decide, like, I couldn't figure out if this was real or not at first, because I didn't know what the hell was going on.
What the f? What the f? What the f? Dude, what the f was that? Take a look at our group chats from before the trip. The seed had been planted, and Riley, Tom, Chris, and Ross fell for it. I think Braden slept though.
Hello.
What's going on?
Oh, nothing. Just got to camp.
So, we got a little plan tonight.
We're gonna prank the boys, and there's actually a nice family camping across the Narrows here, and they're gonna see a Sasquatch tonight.
And who's the Sasquatch?
It's gonna be me.
And I'm the only one who knows about it. I have the costume in my bag. So we got some planning tonight, but hopefully we get them.
We're gonna get them.
I'm not gonna lie though, you did a good acting job out there. Those were some loud, sudden sounds. Like, I didn't think he was capable of making those sounds.
Oh yeah, Nick. Oh yeah, I bet. I would have called it out in a second. This thing's, I fell in the swamp twice waist deep. Oh buddy, it's so heavy.
Oh, look at those feet.
Yeah, my Crocs are inside of it. Holy shit.
I hope you had those things in 4x4.
Oh buddy, it's the only way. I'm so sweaty.
I swear.
I got eaten alive.
Stay tuned for the last day of the Bacon Bandit adventures.